Hakator gnangui tini Hohom Dodomkhe bar hakotoni kezam thangzak Hakator fa Dr. Soropoli Radakrishnani Asimo Shal eba bini Asimo Shalorugui Rung Fringeruni Shal Teachers Day Kereng amsuyo Palaijakha Abahageno Long Toray Valley Dolai Tripura 82 mile Khumtoya Ayas Habaruni Luwa Jongbai Rung Fringeruni Shal Karamcherrao Town Hallnago Palaijakha Aro manjaka Karamcherrani Khazuksa Shikla Emile Poromgrang Foldangshu manjaka Khumtoya Ayas Habanungni Utpol Deborma Akosong Asalo Kathar Chati Musungui Panda Jangchawirika Majane Adongro Aboni Yakulo Kognareka Rung Fringeruni Shalorugui Hastini Khazuksa Shikla Emile Boromganang Poldangshu
Today we celebrate Teachers' Day because our former president had insisted that his birthday should be celebrated, marking the excellence of teachers all around the world. I bow down to all the teachers here. Thank you very much for serving the nation. In spite of all inconvenience, hardships and hurdles, you people had never failed to do your duty. I'm very thankful for that. Let me speak frankly. Today I am being called here as the chief guest, which I myself, it's personal, that I don't prefer or I should not consider as a chief guest. Why I am saying this? Because when we celebrate Teachers' Day, it will be much privilege if we call many scholars who are retired, assistant professors and all who are retired. When they give speech, it's not like us politicians giving speech. They can inspire us a lot. See, we politicians, we give a speech in certain boundary. But when a scholar, when a retired person from some good institution, when they give a speech or give their words in front of us, the whole program is mesmerizing.